Hey everyone, how you doing? It's me, Tim. Hey, it's a misty, rainy day here where I'm at. I'm in Michigan. You can tell it's cloudy. You can see a little dense fog. I don't know if you could tell. And there's a little dense fog out, but nothing, nothing big, nothing big. It's in the 60s today. We're supposed to get this weather up through Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Then right after that, then cooler weather's coming towards us. Could be only in the 50s and 40s. Changing the temperatures. I hope the weather's nice wherever you're at today. If not, well, I'll send you our misty, rainy, uh, hazy, foggy day today. Well, we was getting a little light mist for a little bit, and that kind of stopped. It's supposed to be raining practically all week. Blah, don't like that. Yesterday we was getting some sunshine up until afternoon. Then all the clouds started rolling in, and then it gave us some rain. Kind of a rainy fall day today. Misty rain it was. You could tell right here. Water drips. But yeah, we're getting some misty rain today. Well, everyone, just wanted to do a quick video and let you know we're getting some misty rain today. Yeah, y'all take it easy and have a good one, and God bless to all of you.